Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are fine and having nice time with your families at home. Today I'll be sharing with you the recipe of chocolate cheesecake which I made at home. Do try it. It's a bit different from the other cakes. I mean the regular cake which you make at home. Do try it and let me know whether you like the recipe or not. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell at the bottom so that you will be notified whenever I post my new videos. Thank you. So to make the chocolate cheesecake, we will use Oreo biscuits as the base. We will remove the cream from the biscuits and keep it aside. Now we can grind it using the mixer. Now adding 2 tablespoons of butter and mixing it well. Now take a pan and spread the butter evenly. Now adding the Oreo crush and making a thick base. Now preparing the batter for the cake. For that we take 3 eggs and beat it thoroughly. Now adding 2 cups of cheese and also 80 grams of butter to this. Mix all the ingredients properly. Now adding few more ingredients to that. 1 cup of melted homemade chocolates, 1 cup of sour cream to that, 1.5 cups of icing sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of vanilla essence and 2 spoons of cocoa powder to that. Mix it well and add some salt and also baking powder to that. We added everything in the batter. Now whisk it well and keep it aside. Now adding the batter into the pan. Now add some warm water in the vessel where the pan is kept and we will cook it in the microwave up to 50 minutes or until it is cooked. Now we can prepare the frosting. For that I took one whole dark chocolate, broke it into pieces and kept it aside. Now take some milk in a pan and add 1 tablespoon of butter to that, and once it reaches the boiling point, add these chocolates into the milk and stir it properly. Check the consistency in between and slow it down when required. Now the cake is ready, we can do the icing. Now spread the chocolate cream evenly. You can use any other decorations you wish to. I just left it plain. The delicious chocolate cheesecake is ready now. You can enjoy it with your family. I hope you liked watching this video. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and also don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Thank you.